Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn American poetry, Whitman to the present together, step by step. American poetry has two great originals. Walt Whitman wrote sprawling free verse, long, unrhymed lines that celebrate the self, democracy, and the whole human body. Emily Dickinson did the opposite, packing huge meaning into tiny, compressed lyrics full of dashes and slant rhyme, turning her gaze inward toward death, the soul, and the mind. Expansive and intimate, together they opened American poetry. To read poetry closely, watch its craft. Imagery paints pictures that appeal to the senses. Metaphors and symbols let one thing stand for another, carrying deeper meaning. Notice the form. Is it free verse, loose and open, or fixed meter and rhyme, tight and patterned? And listen to tone and sound, because how a poem sounds shapes how it makes you feel. Compare these two directly. Whitman's line, "I celebrate myself," looks outward, embracing all of humanity in a public, generous voice. Dickinson's, "Because I could not stop for death," looks inward, exploring mortality in a hushed, private moment. One throws his arms wide to the world. The other distills a universe into a single quiet image. Both expand what a poem can do. Later poets built on these foundations. Robert Frost used plain New England scenes to explore deep questions. The Road Not Taken meditates on choice and the stories we tell about it. By mid-century, confessional poets like Sylvia Plath and Robert Lowell turned poetry toward raw, personal experience, exposing private pain and mental struggle. American poetry grew ever more honest about the inner life. Here's our final summary. 1. Whitman launched expansive free verse celebrating self and democracy. 2. Dickinson perfected the compressed, inward lyric. 3. Read every poem for its imagery, metaphor, form, and sound. 4. Frost's plain depth and the confessional poets' raw honesty carried the tradition forward. From Whitman to the present, American poetry keeps finding new ways to speak the truth. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.